So we had the amazing opportunity to go to the Netherlands with the class. And it was so amazing to see, as urban designers, how the Netherlands as a country is implying urban mobility within its cities, like Amsterdam and Rotterdam. It was so great to see how the urban mobility within the whole of the Netherlands that they're achieving within the cities is just enhancing the population for a futuristic city.
In all three cities, you had the chance to visit a lot of great architecture and urban design projects. My favorite project was Booking.com headquarters in Amsterdam. It was this large atrium space that was surrounded with smaller collaborative and gathering spaces that housed around 6,000 employees, and it was a really cool space to see. Another project that we saw was the Valley, which integrated traditional architecture with skyscrapers and residential towers. What was really cool about this one was the integration of exterior and interior spaces that created a very unique experience for anybody in the entire project.
We had a great time traveling as a studio with our Masters of Urban Design students and our Bachelors of Architecture students. The trip was an amazing opportunity to learn more about computational design from world-leading firms in the Netherlands. And the studios were able to give us great insight on the history of Rotterdam and Amsterdam, as well as how planning strategies helped redevelop Rotterdam after the war.
It was my first time abroad, and it was an amazing opportunity just to see a different way of life, from the architecture to the people. It was something special to see people primarily use public transportation.
What I liked about Rotterdam was kind of how it wasn't that touristic, and seeing a city that was like rebuilt after World War II.